the world's worst astronaut, please?
This is one small step for man, one giant leap for my influencer beauty brand.
World's worst rock star, please.
I found this rock in the shape of a star.
But I cannot do it alone, so please put your hands together for tonight's cast from the Bird Comedy Theater. Introduce yourselves.
Tom, Forrest,
Adam.
Jill.
Jamie.
Bobby.
Gabi.
Wonderful. In order to start us off this evening, folks, from anybody out there, what's a job you always wanted to do when you were just a little kid? An astronaut. I heard an astronaut. Astronaut. Players, I would love to see the world's worst astronaut, please.
Hey, Houston, what you wearing?
Damn it, Gary.
This is one small step for man, one giant leap for my influencer beauty brand.
Ground control. I'm gonna eat it.
Get back. Let's switch it up. I believe I also heard Rockstar in the back. Was I right? Great. Players, world's worst rock star, please.
Good evening, we are the Wiggles Uncensored.
That's fantastic.
So I found this rock in the shape of a star.
Stop it. We're going to switch it up. Like a big event that you might experience in your life, like, oh, the birth of a child, or a divorce, or funeral. Heard a lot of funeral. Players, world's worst thing to say or do at a funeral.
We are the Wiggles Uncensored.
Get back. Okay, that's it for that one. One more big life event. First kiss. Oh, first kiss. World's worst thing to say or do after a first kiss.
Oh, you're still a human.
Yeah, I knew it. Gay.